Hello viewers, in this video we'll be looking at some tips of Chrome browser. First on the list is to show us how we can group tabs on Chrome browser. So to do that, we choose any of the tab we've opened or which we are browsing. So we can click on it and choose the option add tab to new group. So we click on that. This pops up another box which will give us an opportunity to name the tab. So for instance, we want to name this tab one group. So we name this tab one group, okay? Then we can choose another color for this tab, this group tab that we have also open. So we can choose any color for this. So let's take this orange color. So when we choose this, then we can also save the tab also this way. So from here we can add other tab into this group tab, okay? So we can come over here and choose add to one group which we have opened earlier. So this then add it to that group. You can also open another tab and add it to the same group tab, such a way that we can then have our tab in one group. So by clicking on that tab, then we then have it in one group. Clicking on it again opens a tab for us again. So another thing you can do with the Chrome browser is to be able to pin our tab as an icon of the website. Okay, this helps us to be able to come back to the website which we are browsing on and continue website. Okay, to do that we also hover over our mouse to that website or the tab, then we right click and choose the option pin. So when we pin, it then appear as the icon of that tab. So when you have open tab, so many tabs opened, okay, and you are not making use of all these tabs, okay, what you can do to reduce or get rid of all these tabs automatically is when you install a Chrome browser which is called Great Suspender. So when you install this Chrome browser, it then automatically suspend any tab that you are not using, okay, that you are not browsing with. It suspend everything and make it perfect for keeping your browser running smoothly, especially when you have too much tabs open, okay? This then help you have a good experience with Chrome browser. Another thing you can also do with the Chrome browser is to continue your browsing experience from one device to another. This can then be achieved when you have logged into your Gmail with an account. The same account is also logging into with another device. So when you are browsing through the internet with your laptop and you wish to continue from where you stop, after opening your device, you can then continue by closing or shutting down your laptop and continue with your phone if it is the phone you're logging or using as a second device for browsing. So that's a way of using different devices into the same account to continue your work from where you stop when using the Chrome browser. Okay, another one we have for us is to be able to use the keyboard shortcut to navigate through the tabs. Using that, to be able to do this on the Windows, we have the command, you have the control tab. When you press control tab on your Chrome browser, it takes you to another tab. When you press that again, it takes you to another tab. When you press that again, it takes you to another tab. When you press that again, it takes you to another tab. So for those of us using the Mac, then we can do that by pressing Command Option tab, then arrow, right arrow, the Command Option, then the right arrow. When we press this, it then takes us, but we then navigate we then see how our tab will be navigating from one tab to another. Then we can also press Command Option left arrow to also do that, to return back. Okay. To do this, we can come to the settings. Okay, comes to the settings. Within the settings, okay, you can then go to the accessibility. So from the accessibility, we have the live caption here, so we can toggle it on and off. Okay, we can also choose any language of our choice to to enable the caption, okay, on our Chrome browser. And this can also be accessible when we are using any media page like the YouTube. Okay, so this way we can enable our live caption. Okay, we can also make our live caption, we can also customize our live caption also this way. We can customize our live caption within our laptop. Okay, so that brings us to this page where we have these options to to customize our caption on the Chrome browser. So we can change the color of the caption. So as we see, it's going to change. It continues to change this way. As we choose the color, it changes. Okay, and this is how it's going to our media view. Okay, so we can also choose caption style. So the kind of font you want it to appear. So can you see that? So it continues to change that way. Okay, so these are you customize your caption. You can also size the caption by choosing this size or reducing it to the barest minimum, or even leave it at 100%. Okay, so this is the way to also customize your caption. You can go ahead, change the background of the word of the caption. Okay, can also make it black, the background, and this way the color of the windows, you can also change that from this angle. Okay, hope you find this video helpful. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and continue with the next video to improve your skills on how to use your Chrome browser like a pro. So we'll see in the next video. Bye for now.